Many people who are waking up these days spiritually or with the astral are finding various problems creeping in. So once you open the astral door, things get in you didn't notice before. Some people actually see spirits following around them, which is quite disturbing. Others don't see them but simply feel problems like little niggling health problems appearing, lack of sleep, nightmares, various stresses coming in, being ungrounded or the mind becoming chaotic. Which way you look at, intrusions from the astral plane can disturb your reality. So on my upcoming magical membership workshop on protection during astral experience, I'll be teaching you how to protect yourself and also to control those doorways so you can open and close them at will so things don't come through unwanted. This will get rid of these problems so you'll be able to experience and enjoy your astral experiences, which can be expansive, they can be empowering and also as well as being a lot of fun, without the dangers, without any problems, without invasion, and while maintaining your sovereignty. So if you find you've been opening and yet there's problems coming in, this is the workshop you need to do. I'll see you there.